Hello dosto. Today we would be discussing important sites of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro civilization, which are very important for the UPPSC exam. So we have seen the PYQs wherein many of the questions have been asked related to these particular sites. So every year, on an average, one or two questions are asked from these Harappa and Mohenjo-daro sites. In that, important sites we would be looking at today. So sites that in which year it was excavated, who has excavated, and on which river the particular site is there. These are the facts which are being asked in the UPPSC. I think this much of facts is sufficient for the answering any of the questions related to Harappan sites. So let us start with the most important and first sites which have been excavated was Harappan sites. Harappan sites which was Harappan sites, which was first discovered by Dayaram Sani in 1921, and it is also proclaimed that it is the first site discovered in the Indus Valley civilization. Okay, this particular site lies in the Pakistan, and specifically which is West Punjab. Sometimes question are asked in East Punjab or the West Punjab. So remember that in India, if you have to take the Indian map, and this, if you consider this is a Punjab, Indian Punjab, and there is adjacent to it there is a Pakistan Punjab. Considering this is a east and the west. So if we see the Punjab in two parts, this falls under the Western Punjab, which is in Pakistan. Okay, and then the other thing is this particular site lies on the river Ravi. Okay, usually Harappa and the Mohenjo-daro are called Indus Valley civilization. Remember, Harappan site lies on the river Ravi rather than the Indus River. Okay. Next, most important site is Mohenjo-daro. It is also that whole civilization is also called Harappa and Mohenjo-daro because this particular site also very important and one of the largest, not the largest, one of the largest site of the in the civilization. Okay, and this is the second site which is unearthed or discovered in the Indus Valley civilization. Okay, so now it was discovered by R.D. Banerjee. It was discovered by R.D. Banerjee in 1922. Remember, first was discovered in 1921. Immediately, it was in the next year itself, second site was discovered. And it also, this particular site also lies in Sindh part, Pakistan. In the Pakistan, but Sindh. First Harappa was Punjab and Mohenjo-daro is in Sindh. Okay, and this particular site lies on the river Indus civilization. River Indus. Whenever we say Indus civilization, all the sites will, comes into picture. But if the question is asked on which particular river, on the river Indus, which particular site lies, that is Mohenjo-daro. Okay. Next question. Next site is Sukta-Gendor. Important site is Sukta-Gendor, and it is unearthed in 1929. It was unearthed by Stein, archaeologist named Stein, and it is also lies in the Pakistan. Okay, this is lies in Balochistan. In the Balochistan, the river is Dast River. Okay, and it is called the westernmost site of the Indus civilization. So let us understand why it is called the westernmost. And within the Pakistan, we have to understand, like when we were discussing about Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, we have to understand which area, particular area, where it lies in the Pakistan. Okay, let us consider that this is a Pakistan. This particular part is Western Punjab, then comes the Sindh, then comes the Balochistan. Okay, though because of that, this particular site, which is Sukta-Gendor, which lies in the Balochistan, it is a westernmost site of the overall. Like if I consider India also, overall civilization, this is a westernmost site. Okay, like if somebody asks, like if the question is asked with respect to India, within only India, then you have to be very careful. If the question is asked westernmost site of the Indus civilization, then remember that it is Sukta-Gendor, which is in Balochistan part of the Pakistan on the river Dast. Okay, so next Very important aspect about this particular site is that it is proclaimed, or the many of the archaeologists believe that this is the major trade route between Lothal and the Mesopotamia. So when we think about like when we study world history, we come to the notice of the many important civilization, among them Harappa civilization, then Mesopotamia civilization. Okay, so in that connection, that the Harappas had a link with the Mesopotamia, and also they had a trade with the Mesopotamia. That you know where the Lothal is residing. It is in Gujarat. Okay, it is in Gujarat. So if I take the Indian map, it is in Gujarat. This particular part Lothal is lying. From here, it passes through the Baluchistan. This is a Baluchistan from here to Mesopotamia. Okay, you have to see the world map, that then you will understand, but I'm just giving you an idea like how it goes from here to there. Okay, so considering this, this particular Sukta Gendor is a westernmost site of the Harappa. At the same time, it is lies on the trade route between Lothal and the Mesopotamia. Now let us come to the next archaeological next important site of Harappa.